Welcome back to Inside Pierce. I'm Brad White. We're going to take a look now at our cab line. And this is where we get a fully painted cab, goes through our line to get fully customized with electronics before it gets put on our chassis. So let's go take a look. Good morning, Jeff.
Hi, Brad.
How you doing, buddy?
Excellent.
Good to see you. Guys, we've got Jeff Stillman here. He's the supervisor of our cab line. And he's going to tell us a little bit about the line and how it flows. So, Jeff, what do we have here?
This would actually be station 3 of our cab assembly line. This is what we call the Rook Cell. This is a structure that's been ergonomically designed that the employees do not need ladders to install any items or options up on the roof, like a light bar, air conditioner unit, marker lights, side warning lights, all get done in this area.
Very good. So the cabs come from our paint facility, come in here. I know that they have the doors hung on them. What, do you take the doors off? And...
Yep, that's one of the first steps in the process of the cab assembly area is to remove the doors. And then the doors will go over to the door sub-assembly area to be assembled and meet up back with the cab when it's time to install the doors. So
you're saying assembled, you're talking about like the guts of the doors?
Yeah, putting the glass in, putting the hardware in it, the linkages, the latches, that type of stuff.
Okay, so as the cab goes around here, what else do you put into the cabs?
Once it leaves this station, it'll go over to station 4 and the electrical will start to be installed. Okay, that's pretty cool. Maybe let's go take a look at the electrical. Take a look at that.
All right, I'll let you lead. So Jeff, we're here. What bay is this here?
The electrical starts in station 4, 5, and 6 of the cab area, and what gets done here is a lot of the main cab harnesses will be installed. We've got the side roll protection, the frontal airbag harnesses will start to be installed here in this station.
Okay, so you got insulation that you're putting in as well. You got harnesses. And then how often does this move? If this line were to move, how quickly does it move?
The rate that we're at currently is every 3.5 hours the cab will index up the line.
Oh, that's pretty good. So that's what do you, maybe five cabs a day?
5 cabs per day. We only do 2 on a Friday.
Okay. When it gets to the end, what happens to it next?
We'll do a final testing at the end of the process to make sure that all the wires are routed properly, all of the wires have been crimped properly, and then we'll do that final test to make sure that everything is working and functioning. Good
quality test then.
Correct.
Very good. So then after that, I'm assuming it's going to get put on the chassis, right?
Then it'll actually stop in one more checkpoint in our cab quality gate.
Okay.
Where we'll do a check of predetermined criteria.
Okay.
There's a list of maybe 5 or 6 pages worth of items that an inspector will look the cab over. They'll check the top, the bottom, the front, the back, the driver's side, the passenger side, just to make sure that the fit, the function, the workmanship was all done per the customer specs.
That's neat. That's awesome. How long you been working here, Jeff?
I started here in 1989.
I'm not going to do the math on that. Okay, well, thank you very much, Jeff, for your time. We appreciate it. And thank you for watching Inside Pierce. I'm Brad White.